friends, we're going to do an uninstall of an old doorknob and a reinstall of a new one. This is the Kwikset bathroom handle. Alright, go ahead and open the package. Just go here.
And open it from this side.
Okay. First of all, leave that there. First of all, we're going to undo the old hardware and take that out. So we're going to start with this. It takes 2 Phillips head screws. Basically, all you need to uninstall and to reinstall this is 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, there's 1 out. Working on the other one right now. Just get an extreme close-up. Alright, set that aside. Now we'll remove the handle. Coming around this side. Once again, we're using a Phillips head screwdriver, which is all you will need. This is a long screw, so you can spin it with your finger too. Once you get it loosened, it's fairly easy. Okay. Are you left-handed or right-handed? Perhaps it'd be easier to use your right hand. Or perhaps not. There we go. And there's another screw underneath. Right there, you want to get that out of there. Okay, you hold the back handle so it doesn't fall off. Okay, that's what will happen. Also, you'll start pushing it off. See how it's off a little bit. You want to hold it so it doesn't come out like that. Oh, smooth. You could also use an electric drill, would probably be a little bit quicker. Don't hold this one. Just hold it. Hold there. There you go. Okay. Okay. Why don't you use your hand now to undo it if you can?
Because
okay, stop and put this mat under there so you don't break my tile. That'd be great. Okay. It's like the 4th screwdriver drop already.
Second.
This is painful to watch. I don't know if I can take this. I don't know if I can take it. There's gotta be like basically coming out of there. Okay. And you have 2 screws here on the end. Should be fairly easy to unscrew. Boy, yeah, that would probably be a lot easier with an electric screwdriver. But that's okay. We're going to show you how to do it the hard way. Okay. Now what we're going to do is grab one of those handles and slide it up. Pull it away from itself. That one came off and that one came off. Okay. Just set that on the floor. Now, what is that piece of metal broke off? No wonder it wasn't functioning correctly. Okay, now you can pull this out and remove that. Okay. That was the removal process, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put in our new door handle. So, pull that out of the box. Okay, set that one down first, the handle down, and you want to grab the other piece first. That apparatus right there. Okay. Go ahead and fit that in there. Now, what the main thing you want to pay attention to is which way the angle is. Okay, if you put it the other way, like this, and then you go to shut your door, you will soon find that it's not going to shut very easy because it's just going to hit like that. Okay, so make sure that this is rotated that way. Okay, open your box there, which has the screws in it. That piece. We're not going to need that. There's our screws. We'll need those. And there's our other strike plate. You can get it out of there. Instructions. And a strike plate. Okay, so open the bag of screws. If you need assistance, we can get some scissors. Okay, wasn't really expecting this level of difficulty. Okay, put those somewhere they're not going to fall. There's our key. And you could place those right here so they don't fall down into the drain. Alright, so you want to use 2 of those wood screws to attach their plate here. Okay, get that started with your hand. And go ahead and get the other one going a little bit too. Alright, so tighten one down, not all the way, but most of the way. Makes it easier for you. Okay, go to the bottom one. Top one. And bottom. One more turn on the top. Very good enough. Okay. Alright, well, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and put that other strike plate on real quick too. So we're going to take this, we're going to put it right in here. I'm going to get your 2 wood screws. Start screwing those in. Okay, and screw that in. Like I said, if you had an electric screwdriver, this would probably be done already, but that's alright. Not all the way, most of the way. And up top a little bit, down There we go. It's good. Yeah, nice. Okay, now we're taking our other handle part. Come around here. So you have, which side are you going to put in?
Put it in this side first.
What side is that going to be?
This one.
Are you sure? Where's the lock?
Right here?
Okay, do you want the lock on the outside of the door or on the inside of the door?
Depends.
Okay, where do you want your handle facing? Why don't you put that one in first? Okay, so the tricky part is you got to feed it through that part right there. If you want, you could push this a little bit. And it'll let you push it through. Push it through. Straight, now let go. Okay. Now get your other handle part on. Probably not going to fall out of there, but just keep a hand on it, that's good. Which way do you want your handle going? There we go. Okay, just kind of slide that on there. Should slide right on there. There we go. Okay. Now you got your screws, so your first one's going to be the outside one. Let's get that outside one more screwed in first. I'm going to get most of the way. Once again, a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a lot of threads on these screws, so they take a little while. Unless, of course, you had the electric screwdriver, and then you'd probably already be done. But that's okay. It's building patience here. We're almost done. Let's see if we can get this done by 15 minutes. Alright. Don't want to tighten it though yet. Okay, and your next one, what you want to do is you want to hold your handle down a little bit so you can get your screw in there. Okay. Should just be going straight in there. Straight. Look at how your thing is.
It's going straight. It's not going straight.
And then you're bending it at the end there.
Oh, it's like pointed all the way up here, that's why.
Okay, we'll try to get it in like that while maintaining the level of the thing.
What are you trying to do?
Alright, so let's go ahead and actually screw that one in more. What we want to do first is line up, see how the paint was? We're going to line that up with that and then screw it on, okay? So make sure you get all that lined up correctly. Try and tighten it on a little better. Shouldn't go this way a tad. See how that circle's there?
Yeah.
Back it out a little bit. Okay, so it's right about there. Okay. Okay, get it tight enough to should hold it in place when you screw the handle. Okay. Now we can maybe bend our handle down a little bit. While we're getting that one in there.
Okay, there we go.
Good job. one thing you can do is hook your leg behind the door and hold it with that, and that way you can hold the screw, the screwdriver with one hand or with both hands. If that would be easier, I don't know. Okay. Hold on, nice and snug. Hit the other screw now. Hit the other one again. And other one more time. Okay, let's try, see how it works. So shut the door. Did it, perfect. Okay, it's nice and quiet, 2 minute shuts. Let's see if the lock works. Appears to be working correctly. Still a little stiff, of course, because it's brand new. Nice install there. Alright, let's see if the other locking mechanism works. Lock the door, use the key to unlock it. Okay, he's got the key. Put it in straight, it's got to go straight, and then turn it. It's got to go in straight.
Yeah.
Straight in and rotate it till it catches. Straight in, straight in. You're going up at an angle, actually, if you look at it. I can see you're going in like this. Straight in. Nope, that's at an angle. Okay, look. You're going in like this. Basically, this is straight. Okay, get there, and then rotate it until you find a little ledge there, right there. Okay, and then unlock, just like that, and lock, works great. Okay, nice install, bud. Yay! Thanks for watching, my friends.